Well, a judge has issued a nationwide injunction blocking President Donald Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship. The hearing taking place earlier today after 5 pregnant undocumented women filed a lawsuit against the administration.
Now, the dispute is over the interpretation of the Constitution's 14th Amendment, which grants citizenship to children born here in the U.S. ABC's Rina Roy has the very latest on the injunction and what one law professor is saying about the executive order.
Jason and Graciela, this executive order immediately sparked backlash. A federal judge who initially blocked it from going into effect, saying it boggled his mind that any lawyer would consider the order constitutional.
A federal judge ruling against President Trump, deciding he cannot redefine the meaning of the 14th Amendment to exclude the children of undocumented and temporary status immigrants from birthright citizenship. The judge issuing a preliminary injunction blocking Trump's executive order. Trump signed the executive order to end birthright citizenship just hours into his second term as president.
Birthright. That's a big one.
The order attempts to deny U.S. citizenship to children of undocumented immigrants and also to children of immigrants who are in the country lawfully but only have temporary status. The hearing comes after 5 pregnant undocumented women and 2 nonprofits filed a lawsuit against the Trump administration, arguing Trump's order violates the Constitution and multiple federal laws. 22 states and 2 cities also filing a suit to block Trump's order from going into effect.
It's sufficiently clearly unconstitutional according to every reasonable interpretation, according to the text, according to the history, according to the understanding of the framers at the time.
Lawyers for the Department of Justice claiming the order attempts to resolve prior misimpressions of the 14th Amendment. A federal judge in Seattle already temporarily blocked it, Trump vowing to appeal that decision.
On an issue this straightforward, it can't hurt to have lots of federal judges appointed by lots of presidents and confirmed by lots of different senates say the same thing in pretty nearly the same voice. Some constitutional issues are hard. This one's pretty easy.
This issue will likely make it to the Supreme Court. Then the judges will decide whether or not to take up the case. In New York, Rina Roy for ABC 30 Action News.